Okay, so welcome to this week's community tip of the week. So this week it's all about using our voice. Okay, we use our voice a hell of a lot in Krav Maga and the way we teach it, and it's really useful for dealing with verbal confrontation, really dealing with assaults which haven't quite got physical yet, in order to try to deconflict or minimise the potential for escalation. So how do we use our voice? Well, it's quite simple. We do it as a natural consequence of our day, but we need to use it in a specific way for self-defense. So the best way to do that would be one, keep the really simple phrases. So we suggest using phrases like get back, get back, get back, or stay back, stay back, stay back. And you keep repeating that simple phrase for as long as you need to. Of course, we'd normally back that up with something like a pre-conflict stance, just to keep yourself totally safe. Your voice must be assertive but not aggressive. Okay, that other person or people must understand that you are not someone to be messed around with. Okay, so that confident, calm demeanour will pay absolute dividends. Okay, and this is something we practice a hell of a lot in class. As a fun fact, when you scream and shout at somebody, or someone screams and shouts at you, your brain activity is almost identical to someone physically striking or physically assaulting you. Okay, it's just the way we're made. Okay, so the key thing to this, you must practice this technique in terms of what phrase you're going to use, in terms of the way you use your voice, but most importantly in terms of someone getting in your face and starting to elevate your adrenaline levels. Okay, and that's the best way to do it. Okay, so that's this week's community tip of the week.